In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert hyperlinks in Google Sheets. Hyperlinks make your spreadsheets more useful and easier to navigate by turning plain text into clickable references. Whether you're linking to a website, another sheet, or a specific range of cells, the process is quick and reliable once you know where to look. Start by selecting the exact cell where you want the hyperlink to live. This is important because the link attaches to whatever is in that cell. If the cell already contains a label like project plan or budget overview, that text will become the clickable part. Many people prefer this approach because it keeps Sheets clean and readable. If the cell is empty, that's fine too. Google Sheets will display the URL after you create the link, and you can always update the visible text later. Next, open the link tool. On Windows, press Ctrl+K. On a Mac, press Command+K. If you prefer using the mouse, right-click the selected cell and choose Insert Link. Either way, you'll see a small dialog box where you'll add the link details. Now decide what kind of link you need. To link to a website, paste or type the full URL, ideally starting with HTTPS for security. Make sure there are no extra spaces and double-check that the address is correct so your link doesn't break later. If you want to keep everything inside your spreadsheet, choose a sheet or a range. In the dialog, you can select an entire sheet like a tab named Summary or a specific range such as A2D20, so clicking the link takes you straight to the exact data. If you've already created named ranges in your file, they'll appear as convenient targets too, which helps when your ranges might change size over time. When you're satisfied with the destination, click Apply. The cell text will turn into a clickable link, usually blue and underlined. Hovering over it will show a small preview with the destination so you can quickly confirm it points to the right place. From here, you can keep working as usual. Sorting, filtering, and formatting won't affect the link itself. As a quick recap, pick the right cell, open the link tool with Ctrl or Command+K, or via the right-click menu, enter a URL or pick a sheet or range and click Apply. That's all it takes to add clear, helpful hyperlinks to your Google Sheets.